Hello, assalamu alaikum all viewers and ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a new trigonometric proof. Let's come we start. Secant x minus tangent x. Question number 16. Secant x minus tangent x whole square is equal to 1 minus sine x divided by 1 plus cos x. Question number 16. This question is very important for your future life. Let's come. We start from secant x minus tangent x. Taking left hand side. Secant x minus tangent x whole square. According to the formula, secant x is equal to, as we know that secant x is equal to 1 over cos x. Similarly, and tangent x is equal to sin x divided by cos x. And in place of secant x, we put this result 1 by cos x, and in place of tangent x, we put sin x over cos x. Whole square. Now taking LCM. LCM means common factor. LCM, least common multiple. LCM stands for least common multiples. Its formula is common factor multiplied by non-common factor. But here is cos x. Cos x is the common factor, and there is non-common factor is nothing. And here is common factor is cos x. We take LCM cos x. And cos x divided by cos x means denominator divided by denominator, we get 1, and 1 is multiplied to the denominator, 1 multiplied by 1. And similarly cos x divided by cos x, we put 1, and here sin x multiplied by 1 to the denominator terms. Expand this term, 1 multiplied by 1, we get 1 minus sin x multiplied by 1 sin x divided by cos x. So square is also apply on the numerators in the denominator terms. 1 minus sin x whole square divided by cos square x. We cannot put on the variable x square but on the angle, but it is also put the exponent on the trigonometric ratio. So also we know that the formula here sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. In the place of here the result is cos square is required. So we change this result. Cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Here we put 1 minus sin square whole square divided by, in the place of cos square we put 1 minus sin square x. According to the formula a minus b into a plus b here is required. So we applied here a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square formula is required. So 1 minus sin x whole square, and here we use the formula a square minus b square is equal to a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. According to the formula we put substitute the values 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x. Now 1 minus sin x and sin x cancel. 1 minus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. which is the required right hand side. So left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate you in advance.